You lit a match in a gas soaked room, half a grin saying, what if we bloom? My hand shook, still I struck that flame. Every red flag spelled out your name. You were an explosion, blew right through my chest, turned my quiet little life into smoking, twisting mess. You were an explosion, and right then you were gone. Now I'm sifting through the ashes as the sirens drag on. We burn quick, like a bad idea, laughing loud over cheap